Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Atlanta, Texas, a small city in northeastern Texas near the Arkansas border. The city sits right on US Route 59, a major north-south highway that connects Houston to Texarkana and continues into Arkansas, making Atlanta an important stop for travelers and freight moving through East Texas. Highway 59 runs right through the heart of town, passing local businesses, schools, and parks. The highway has helped Atlanta grow over the years by linking it to larger cities and giving farmers, timber operators, and local industries a route to ship goods efficiently. Travelers along 59 can see the mix of historic buildings, small town neighborhoods, and everyday life in the East Texas community. Thank you for joining us on this drive along US Route 59 through Atlanta, Texas.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!